Windows or Ubuntu? Which one is the ultimate choice for your daily computing needs? Let's find out in just 3 minutes. Hi everyone, I'm your name, from your channel name. In today's quick showdown, we'll compare Windows and Ubuntu on key factors like usability, performance, security, and overall user experience to help you decide which OS might be best for you. Windows offers a familiar, polished interface that many users have grown up with, making it a great choice for productivity and gaming. On the other hand, Ubuntu delivers a clean, customizable experience that's perfect for developers and those who prefer open-source solutions. When it comes to performance, Windows provides extensive hardware compatibility and optimized support for a wide range of software, especially gaming titles. Ubuntu, with its lightweight design and open-source nature, often runs faster on older or less powerful hardware, and it's highly customizable for performance tweaks. Security is a big factor. Windows has improved over the years with robust security features, but it remains a popular target for malware. Ubuntu, benefiting from its Linux roots, offers a secure, community-driven environment with less susceptibility to viruses, though it may require more technical know-how. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. Windows is ideal for gamers and mainstream users who need wide software support, while Ubuntu is a great pick for developers, tech enthusiasts, and those looking for a customizable, secure platform. So, which one wins for you, the familiar power of Windows or the versatile freedom of Ubuntu? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick comparison, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts on what operating system you prefer.